Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply delete a Trust Wallet account. It's quite a simple process. So your first step is going to be taking out any of your available cryptocurrency assets from your main account or your main wallet into another wallet before deleting it. Else you lose your wallet and you'd lose the assets inside. So in order to delete, you first make sure your assets aren't there. Head over to the settings, that's the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, your next step would then be to head over to the top of the screen that says wallets and simply click on this wallet option here. Now, once at the wallet option, you'd see the blue tick, meaning that this is the wallet you're currently logged into. So your next step now would be to simply slide this and simply click on delete. So make sure you have a backup of your wallet. So then you simply click on this delete and enter your passcode, and boom, the wallet is gone. Finato. Okay guys, and that's how you can simply delete your Trust Wallet account. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.